Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to choose Security. Then scroll down again. Tap on Privacy and App Encryption. Click on Password Options and choose the best login method for your apps. I will go with Pattern. Now create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. Finally, you need to answer this security question. Tap on Question tool and answer it as well. When you're ready, tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Now select App Encryption and click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to lock, like Chrome. So when I go back and try to access my Chrome app, I can see that Pattern is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from one of your apps, access the same settings. Click on App Encryption again and tap on this blue switcher next to your app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!